Once you've set up WP Ghost, either in safe mode or ghost mode, you can increase your website's security by customizing your Ajax path. To do this, head over to the Ajax security section. Here, you can replace the default admin-ajax path with something else like Ajax. This helps prevent automated attacks targeting the standard Ajax endpoint that most WordPress sites use. Once you customize the Ajax path, all the front-end Ajax calls will now use this new path. You also have the option to remove the admin path from the Ajax path. It's important to note that some plugins may not work with a custom Ajax path if they rely on the default admin-ajax for security checks. Make sure to test compatibility with any essential plugins after making this change. Now, as you can see, after updating the Ajax path, the front-end Ajax requests are being made using our newly customized path. However, you'll notice that while the Ajax request path is updated, the URLs in the Ajax response still use the original paths. To change the paths within Ajax calls, you need to take an extra step. Simply switch Change Paths in Ajax calls is on, and the plugin will automatically update the paths returned in Ajax responses. Now let's take a look at the Ajax response again. You'll notice that image, URLs, and other resources are updated, reflecting our custom path. This adds an extra layer of security by hiding admin traces in requests and responses, keeping your WordPress setup safer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress security tips.